Hello friends, I'm going to talk to you about the 3-in-1 stainless steel screwdriver watch repair tool. So this is a screwdriver that I bought from gearbest.com, and it's quite useful and a portable repair tool. Why? Because you can use it with your keychain and convenient, and it's quite easy to carry. Also, it's very good for repairing watch band, glasses and other small thing. And this is actually a tool that is quite nice build, and it has a good feeling. So it is a stainless steel tool, and it's quite useful. So if you want to buy it, I suggest it. It's a very useful tool, and you can buy it for a very low price of 40 cents from gearbest.com.